Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create cinematic color grading in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create cinematic color grading in CapCut, then all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut. Once you are in your CapCut, you need to now simply select any of the project that is ongoing, or you can select a completely new one. So now as you selected a project, you need to simply start creating a color grading in CapCut by making some basic adjustments like contrast, brightness, and HSL. So these can be done by simply tapping on like the areas where you want to edit. You can find the effect section, or you can simply find like different kind of filters or like adjust. Now in the adjust section, you can find all of these. So this can set your mood, and you can apply the cinematic filters like orange green. Use HSL LUT for precise color tweaks, and consider adding black bars for a true film look, ensuring you use the color os oscilloscope for professional results. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.